Welcome to Average Joe True North. Today we are going to be making some pumpkin spice seasoning mix. And I also have a couple noise makers I want to show you. So this is a crow caller. So I'll give you a demo. Okay, and this is a wild bird kind of chirping noise bird caller. I'll give you a demo of this one. So this recipe has 5 ingredients. We got cinnamon, we have allspice, we have ground cloves, we have ground ginger, and we have nutmeg. And we got this nice little jar from Dollar Tree. Haven't been there for a while. So I'm doubling up on this recipe, but I'll leave the original recipe at the end and you can screenshot it if you like. I'll have 2 different versions at the very end of this video. Same recipe, but just different look. So we're going to start out with cinnamon. Got doubling that up with 2 heaping tablespoons. And got a couple more tablespoons of cinnamon, because that's double, is actually 4. Okay, next is ginger. Ended up using a tablespoon, but it's actually 2 tablespoons, which I doubled to 4. Next we have cloves, which I'm going to put in. Original is 1 tablespoon. I'm doing, or actually 1 teaspoon. I'm doing 2 of the cloves there. Next is allspice. The original is 1 teaspoon. I'm putting 2. Okay, the last ingredient is a half teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm just putting in 1 teaspoon. Had a hard time getting in this one here. All right, I'm going to stir it right inside the jar. All right, it is done. I don't even think I'll have to put a label on there. It's pretty memorable. So thank you for watching. I got some other short little videos coming up. So you guys have a great week. And I'll see you on the next video. And I got a couple screenshots for you of the recipe. Take care. Bye.